Starbucks.
We got Starbucks, you guys.
My favorite Starbucks.
Where's Food Lion?
T-Mobile. We got a right there, a Burger King. We got a Mobile right there. Gas station. And this is the Emporium Marketplace right here.
And don't forget, we got McDonald's.
And you got Hibbit, that sells name brand shoes. We got Verizon.
Who doesn't want Domino's?
And up here,
We got Burger King. We got
like around there, you got a
Arby's.
Wendy's, a McDonald's,
Arby's.
you got a whole Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, I love Chick-fil-A, guys.
I love Chick-fil-A. Very good. And you
You got Chick-fil-A.
and Hardee's. Hardee's is very good, you guys.
Go past this entrance.
A
Use the right lane to take a slight right turn.